Today we are going to be making Rice Krispies. So you need 10 ounces of marshmallows. I have some right here. It can be mini or original size. And I already poured out my Rice Krispie like cereal, Rice Krispie cereal. You need 6 cups, 10 ounces of marshmallows, and 6 cups of Rice Krispie cereals. And let me get this. You need like a fourth of butter, half a stick of butter. You need a 9 by 13 pan, or whatever size you have. Grease it. I use butter, and you need a large pot. So we're going to go over to the stove, and hey guys, we're at the stove. Turn on the heat and use your large pot, and you're just gonna put your half a stick of butter in the pan, and you're gonna use something to stir it. I'm gonna use this. Things flatter would be easier. So stir the butter a tiny bit. Make sure it gets greased along the pan. It does not have to be greased on the sides, just the bottom. And stir that along there. And then once it's like all over the pan, it does not have to be fully melted. So you are going to just get some paper towels so I can spray it. You're going to just let it melt a little, and you need your 10 ounces of marshmallows. And you're going to pour them in. I'm just going to do a tiny bit. I'm just going to do all of them at the same time. So then you're going to stir. Don't leave it on the stove for too long or else they can burn. And I'll see you back when that's melted. Bye. So I'm back and it's melted. This is what it should look like when it's melted. Something around this. And you need your 6 cups of Rice Krispies. So don't pour them all in at the same time, or else they won't be able to do that. So you're going to fold, not like regular stir, but fold. And then you're going to add in a little bit more. And fold it. Make sure it's nice and combined, and then you can add a little bit more. I think I added about 4 cups by now, so 2 cups at a time. Estimate 2 cups. gonna add in the rest. Make sure you're folding it well.
I can't walk when this is in my way. You cannot miss when you cannot.
And I'll see you back when it's fully combined. Hey guys, so we're gonna take it off of the heat and you're going to have your 9 by 13 pan. Make sure it's greased. And you pour it in there. So I'm going to bring a little bit of it to the side so it's easier to come out. So you're going to need spray or a bag, spray or butter, whatever one works, and a bag, like a Ziploc bag, and you press it down, make sure there's no like cracks. It's just like a wall, you don't want any cracks in the wall. It'll get cold. So you spread it down and make sure it hits all the corners and all the edges. You don't want any missing gaps. So that's it for the video. And there's some fully done ones right here. So I'll show you these. This is what they're supposed to look like when they're done. Just like that. Like and subscribe and write down in the comments below if you would like any other recipes you would like me to make. Bye.